Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I am so excited to be a part of the Pinspiration collaboration that is hosted by Megan W. here on YouTube. I will put her link down below, and it is a collaboration between about 10 YouTubers. So I will have all the links down below for them so you can go over and check out their projects that they're doing. This collaboration is happening once a month, every second Saturday of the month, and the videos are scheduled to go up at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. So this month I found this really beautiful idea on Pinterest. It is a Chevron card, and it is made with double-sided paper. This was the first one that I made, and I used a base of yellow cardstock, and then I had this paper. It is from Simple Stories. It's the Faith collection. It has a yellow with like little white specks on one side and then a beautiful floral on the back side. This is made onto white cardstock, and then I layered it onto some pink cardstock and then on top of the yellow base. I used some pink ribbon here and added a sticker from the Carpe Diem Faith collection, and then I used some of the enamel dots that came with the collection as well. I will put a link down below for the Carpe Diem collection if you want to check that out too. So I wanted to make one of these with you. I have another piece of paper from the Carpe Diem collection I wanted to use, as well as two other colored cardstocks. So stay tuned if you want to make this card with me and find out what we need for this project. Alright, so you will need one piece of double-sided printed paper. This one is from the Simple Stories Faith collection. I have a coordinating green that goes with it, and as well as a coordinating pink color that goes with it. I also have a piece of white cardstock, and I will let you know all the sizes as we go along. The tools that you'll need is double-sided foam mounting tape, a pair of scissors, a paper trimmer, as well as some liquid glue, or if you want to use like a tape runner, you can do that as well. And then you'll need some embellishments. I have more enamel dots that were part of that collection. I have a sticker pad from that collection, and I'll pull something out of there. And then I have some coordinating mint green ribbon. You can also use rhinestones, you can use buttons, you can use a stamp in your ink, but I just wanted to go with this collection, make it really easy, and this is a really quick card to make. So stay tuned, we'll find out how to do this. The first thing you want to do is take your double-sided paper and cut 5 strips that are 2.5 inches by 1 inch. And then the next thing we want to do is we are going to separate our pieces into a grouping of 3 and then a grouping of 2. And we'll start with the group of 3. What we want to do is take the top right corner and fold it down so it makes a triangle, meeting it to the other side, to the left side of your strip. And then you want to turn it around and do the same thing. And you want to do this on all 3 of your squares. For the last 2 pieces, go ahead and turn them over. And then we are going to start on the left side this time and fold down the corners and meeting them up on the right side of your strip. You do that on one end and then turn it over and do it on the other end. just like that. So you have 2 of them going to the right and then 3 of them going to the left, just like that. So now the next thing you want to do is take your white cardstock and you want to cut the white cardstock to a piece that is 5 3/8 by 4 inches. And then pull in your glue. We will want to start with one of the 3 here that have the folds going to the left. We're going to take this and we're going to turn it so the fold opens to the right. And we're going to glue that one down into the bottom left corner. Just like that. Then we're going to take one of the other ones and glue it down right up against the first one that we did, and we're just going to keep alternating. So I'll pull another one of these in. Now the next step I took was I pulled in my ribbon and I pulled it around and tied a double knot. You can tie a bow if you would like as well, but I prefer the double knot. And then just trim that off there. The next step is take your paper trimmer and cut a piece of paper that is 5 1/2 by 4 1/8. And this is what we're going to be mounting this piece onto. Just add a little bit of color to the background. I think I want to add it like that. So I'm just going to use my glue, or you can use your tape runner. And then your next step is to cut your base card color down to 5 1/2 by 8 1/2. And then just fold this in half. And this is your standard note card size. And then we just mount this on here. And then finally, your last touch is to add whatever embellishments that you want on top of here. You can stamp a sentiment and mount it on paper and put it over the top of this, or just stamp it right here on the white. But I would like to use a sticker from here and mount it on the opposite side. I have this piece here that's left over. So let's see. I think I'm going to use this hope right here. I think this would be great as an encouragement card for somebody who just needs a little bit of encouragement. So I'm going to put that right on there and trim it down with my trimmer. And then stick it down with a piece of my foam tape. And this foam tape I think is the best tape, and I picked it up at the Dollar Tree and it just works great. So I'm just going to stick this right down on top here. And then I'm going to add a couple of my little enamel dots. Stick one right at the top here. And one in the opposite corner. Just like that. So I think these are super pretty cards. Doesn't take very long. There's that one. And this one. Loving it. And it looks complicated, but it really isn't. And it just is super quick. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave me a comment and subscribe. Go ahead and check out all the other YouTubers that are doing this YouTube hop, and check out Megan W's channel. She does beautiful work as well. And I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.